everyone. For the arithmetic sequence a sub n, we have the sum of the first 10 terms is 100, the sum of the first 20 terms is 400, and we want to find the value of the sum of the first 30 terms. So basically we're going to use this formula here and write a system of equations. So basically I'm using our sum equals n divided by 2. Then we have 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times d. Alright, so let's do that. So if we have s sub 10, that's going to equal your n. I'm just going to put this 2 right here under here. Alright, so basically we have 10 times 2a plus, now 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's going to be 9d divided by 2, and that equals 100. Alright, and then for the 20th, s sub 20, it's the same thing. You have 20, then we have 2a plus 19d, all divided by 2, and that equals 400. Now simplifying this, we're going to get, this is going to be 5. And if you divide both sides by 5, you're going to get s sub 10 equals 2a plus 9d equals, and I'm dividing 100 by 5, you get 20. Do the same thing here. This is going to be 2 goes into 20 10 times. Divide both sides by 10, and you're going to get s sub 20 equals 2a plus 19d equals 40. Alright, let's call this equation 1, equation 2. And we're going to take equation 2 and subtract equation 1. So we have a system of equations here. We're going to subtract. So it's 2 subtract 1. So 2a plus 9d equals 20. And this is going to give me 10d equals 20. So d equals 2. If d equals 2, then that means if I substitute, let's see, 2 into this, or this one, I'm going to get a equals 1. So we have a equals 1 and d equals 2. A equals 1 and d equals 2. Now let's find this value. So we have the sum of the first 30 terms is going to be, and I'm still using this formula, so I'm going to write it as our n is 30, and then we have 2 times a, and our a is 1, plus n minus 1, so that's going to be 29. So it's 30 minus 1 times d, and d is 2. And this is all divided by 2. So basically this gives me, if I take this and go into 15 times, 15 times 2 plus 58, and this is going to equal 900. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.